Every word you spoke stands true, and restoration comes when the King breaks through. Every knee will bow, every tongue confess, Yeshua, you are Lord. You are the King of kings, the Lord of lords, seated on the throne. Every heart awake, every soul proclaim, Yeshua the Amen. Next year in Jerusalem, Yeshua, come in your mercy, draw us near. Let the nations see your glory shining clear. Your scepter stands unshaken, every judgment you made clear. Restoration comes when the King appears. Every knee will bow, every tongue confess, Yeshua, you are Lord. You are the King of kings, the Lord of lords, seated on the throne. Every heart awake, every soul proclaim, Yeshua the Amen. Next year in Jerusalem, every promise you have spoken is unfolding in our days. Every shadow flees before you as creation learns your ways. Let the heavens shout your glory, let the earth respond in praise. For the King is making all things new, and forever he will reign. Every knee will bow, every tongue confess, Yeshua, you are Lord. You are the King of kings, the Lord of lords, seated on the throne. Every heart awake, every soul proclaim, Yeshua the Amen. Next year in Jerusalem, every knee will bow, every tongue confess, Yeshua, you are Lord. You are the King of kings, the Lord of lords, seated on the throne. Every heart awake, every soul proclaim, Yeshua the Amen. Next year in Jerusalem, next year in Jerusalem,